Good day! And today, our friend from Panism sent us their Naruto Great Ninja War series blind box. And we are also giving away these blind boxes courtesy of Panism. So stick around to learn more how to enter this awesome giveaway. Today, we have here 4 boxes of Panism's fully licensed Naruto blind box. This features 8 iconic characters: Naruto Rasengan pose, Naruto Kage Bunshin pose, Sakura, Sasuke, Kakashi, Minato, Hashirama, Madara, and a secret Itachi Chance figure. The box itself looks really nice with a simple amazing design that feels perfect for the collectors and also looks great on display. Now, let's open this! The box has a pull tab that makes the opening very easy and clean. I got Kagebuchi Naruto, Sakura, Minato. Wow! The secret Itachi figure. It's in a shaped plastic packaging that secures the figure inside the box. And every box includes this awesome magnetic ID card. That sticks to any flat metal surface, perfect as a ref magnet. The purse I got is Naruto in Kage Bunshin pose, and it also includes additional set of arms. The figure is very nice and very high quality. Perfect chibi recreation of the character. Very nice and solid. Let's try the other arms. It's nice that they included another set of arms for another dynamic pose. The second one I got is Sakura Haruno in attack pose in her Byakugan might. Same very high quality figure. I really like the use of transparent plastics with the gradient effects, simulating a final blow in the mist. The third one I got is the 4th Hokage, Minato Namikaze, including his Flying Thunder God Kunai. Posed in attacking mode using his Flying Thunder God technique. The yellow gleam of the transparent plastic effects perfectly mimics strong aura. This is an amazing figure. And the 4th that I got is the secret chance figure, which is Itachi Uchiha in his awakened Mangekyo Sharingan, sculpted with the black flames that would burn anything, adding to its menacing look. This figure is incredible. The figures are absolutely adorable, and honestly, it's seriously impressive once you see it up close. The character details are done really well, from the facial expression to the pose, and all the little sculpted parts that make it feel accurate to the anime. The colors really pop up too, so it stands out nicely on display. Overall build feels solid and very high quality, which makes it even more exciting for fans and collectors. For Naruto fan alike, this is definitely a very awesome standout piece to add to your collection. And you had the chance to win this Naruto blind box. 3 winners will each receive 2 blind boxes. To enter the giveaway, check out the full details below in the description or in the pinned comment. Thanks again to Panism. And don't forget to check out their official store by clicking the link below. And use my code for 10% discount on your order. And as always, take care and see ya!